Hey guys, welcome to Chill Review Guy. You guys never thought I would do an unboxing for a gingerbread house, but here I am. This is a generic gingerbread house and I'm just going to unbox it and see if I can build it using my own hands and artistic skills. Well, whatever I have artistic. Let's give it a shot. So this is the one I got from Superstore. It's a create and treat. That's what it looks like. Alright, first some eggnog. That was good. That's it again. Alright. First we have the icing, the royal icing. Then you have the jelly beans. There's a couple of colors in there. And then you have some beans. Some jelly, something. Hard candy. And then you have the flywheel pin or whatever it's called.
Mint?
It's a mint, yes. And you have the house structure. Comes nicely packaged together. Alright. That looks pretty good. Alright, so to start off, we want to put the icing on the base and a couple of the edges on the house before we stick it together. So that's what the instructions look like. Just to assemble the house. Pretty simple. Alright, so the instructions tell you to take the icing and kind of knead it for 1 to 2 minutes just to get it to room temperature, and it makes it more adhesive. That's good. And let's open up the packaging.
2,000 years later.
This, I think that's the roof, or one of the roofs. The front and the back. Oh, I see. Never mind. Let's break that. So that's the roof, and we have the two sides of the house, and the front and the back.
You're breaking it in a weird... I think you should do the side first. Are you supposed to break? I'm just scaring you. You squeezed all the icing.
Yeah, I just made it so it's easy to push out. But now the fun part starts. Can cut this. Okay.
That fell somewhere.
Squeezing.
What happens if it doesn't like Gorilla Glue.
Yep. You need to use more. It's part of the money shot, you know?
Wait. I can see your bald spot.
Yeah.
I can see it.
You can see it all the time.
Get your bald spot. I can't see. No, I can still see the bald spot. Gotta fix the camera angle. Let me bring
Yeah, the roof and the siding.
the try put it on.
Thing with the side. To put. So you can hold that there. Hold it. Really hard.
Keep your bald spot out of the camera. The camera's. No.
We don't want that to fall.
Yeah, sorry. No. Oh, right.
Alright, go. Center.
You should have seen where you were putting. How about you try putting the other?
How's that? How's that, guys?
From the top, it looks nice. Now let's. So now you just have to decorate it.
Oh, that's the good part. The fun stuff begins now.
Picture they had a lot more Jello, but I think they didn't give enough
Yeah.
in this pack.
Actually, if I keep it this way, then I can do. So
They have a crisscross design, but I don't know if you'll be able to make it.
I'll try my best.
Okay, the amount of Jello that they show
It's
in
too
the
much.
picture,
That's a lot.
and we don't get enough, I feel.
No.
Okay, so since they didn't give us enough decor, we found some like little bit raisins in our kitchen, like really dried raisins, and box of berry Tic Tac, and mini Oreos that my husband says he's not going to use all of it, but
I'll see how it works. If it's pleasing to the sight, I'll go ahead with it. But I have an idea to stick few there and few on the other side, and then just use the cream or the icing to make it all work.
Oreos. Should I lick the cream?
Yeah, you can lick the cream.
This cream is not going to stick on that
No,
gingerbread?
I don't think so.
No? Try. Here, you lick this one, and I'll lick the bigger one. Yummy?
Yeah.
They both. I mean, that's technically icing, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that looks nice.
Doesn't it look like the house is mad at us? Right? Like the mouth kind of looks like a sad mouth.
It's like angry.
Angry house. It's very mad at us. It's sad.
You want to stick a red eye on it.
You want to make it red?
Yeah. It's really angry.
You kind of like the white one. Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that.
Bloodshot eyes.
Christmas is not going good for this house. Let's begin.
Are you doing any colored?
I'm trying to see what I can work with. There's only a few colors of each. Alright, so we try making the gingerbread house, and this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what we came up with. Voila! What does that look?
Not too bad.
Not too bad, eh?
I mean,
Not too shabby.
if it's just to eat, like if it's gonna come in my tummy, then it doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
I think I still have some artistic skills left
I
in
can
me.
eat it, right?
Yeah, you can eat it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's edible.
That's all.
Yeah, I can't wait to eat it. Yeah. And also have these firecrackers. I don't know, firecrackers? It's just crackers.
I don't think there's fire in it. We'll find out.
It says some kind of
I've
explosives in
never
here.
opened this before.
This is my first time opening. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm in for a treat too. We'll find out. So pick these up from dollar store.
And they said that there's a gift in it, like jokes or.
Yeah. So each cracker contains a hat, a joke, and a sticker. Right there. I don't know what that means. I don't know what to expect. So new to me.
And are we supposed to? We're supposed to hold on to each side.
Yeah. So basically, you hold.
Here. For maximum effect, using thumb and index finger, hold a cardboard strip at both ends firmly and pull. Crackers can be also pulled by 2 people. So,
I'm going to pull that end.
yeah. Like
Oh,
you're
where's
trying to
this?
find your thumb?
Okay, there's a strip in here, so you're going to yank on that too.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Let's try.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
I'm trying to pull. Did something happen?
I smell something.
Yeah,
I smell some kind of firecracker.
that might have been me. Gimme, what did I get? Tell me.
You got some paper.
I got paper. Ooh. So this is, oh, it's a hat. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Here. I'm crowning you
Is this
in
me?
all your bald crowning with glory. I think it's gonna tear. You look fantastic.
Thank you, thank you.
Keep the hat when you lose all your hair.
I have something to go back on.
And said that it has like some stickers and jokes, so these are the stickers.
Oh, that's good for a sticker collector. Like if you like sticking things on your notebooks, journals.
Well,
I used to do that when I was a kid.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You
I used to
nerd?
collect. Yeah, I used to collect stickers and stick them around.
You nerd. Well, I used to collect stamps. But no one would write to me, so I only had like 4 stamps.
What's the joke?
Why can't you tell jokes to an egg? Tell me.
Because it will click.
What? Are you reading from the back? Because it'll crack up.
Oh, yeah, crack up. I thought you say click up.
You an egg.
I'm an egg.
You an egg and I keep telling you joke.
Was that it? Or was the other one in French?
Yeah.
Oh.
You were trying to read the French from the back. Can we do another one?
Sure, let's
I
try
just
a
want to see if they have a different joke in this one and
Yeah,
different set of
sticker.
stickers.
different hat. Let's open a green one.
It's so Maybe
Yeah.
we're just
Yeah,
supposed
we
to
just
pull
pull it.
off.
Yeah, okay, ready?
Okay.
One,
1, 2,
two.
3. 1, 2, 3. Did you get anything?
This is supposed to explode.
I think then
You're supposed to hold it together with
hold it together.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
is it is it?
Yeah, it's hazardous. You don't wanna.
I don't want to do it.
Yeah. But that's what Mr. Bean did. He collected a whole bunch of these. He took
then
all
set
the
it-
strips out and made a big poof.
Okay. Hey, it's a purple hat.
Oh, nice.
You want to
Oh,
put it
same
on my
stickers.
bald head?
Oh, of course.
Stickers are the same. Well, I thought they would be different.
Yeah. That's okay. So let's go from the front. There you go.
Do they look nice?
There you go. Pretty.
They look pretty?
Yeah.
What's the joke? What did one magnet say to the other?
I'm attracted to you.
I find you very attractive.
Oh.
These are the very cheesiest joke.
It's like
jokes
dad
ever.
jokes.
It's not even like that. It's more like a.
It's like a history book kind of joke.
Eat it now.
Yeah, we can eat it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed our small build. Stay tuned for more and Merry Christmas to you.